Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use LinkedIn for affiliate marketing. So there are a lot of ways to promote affiliate products on LinkedIn. So we are going to use simple and effective legit way to promote affiliate products on LinkedIn. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, I share content related to digital marketing and build brand to make money online. If you are interested in digital marketing and build your brand, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start today's video. So let's talk little bit about benefit of LinkedIn as a affiliate marketer. Lot of people don't use LinkedIn to promote affiliate products. So the competition is very low on LinkedIn. Most of people come to LinkedIn for find business opportunities or find jobs. As example, I am use LinkedIn as a freelance web developer to find clients and get freelance jobs. So if you check the profiles of LinkedIn, most of users use their LinkedIn profile to build their business or brand and find jobs. So this is why you must use LinkedIn to promote affiliate products. The second reason is LinkedIn is a platform for professional people. That means you will find serious community on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional version of Facebook. So you will find high quality people on LinkedIn. Also LinkedIn try to organically promote high quality content. As example, if you write an article or share a post and someone like that post, LinkedIn will automatically show your post to followers of that person who liked your post. So that is a huge benefit of LinkedIn. There are not too many restrictions on LinkedIn. So those are the main benefits of LinkedIn. Now it's time to promote affiliate products on LinkedIn. First of all, you must have a LinkedIn profile to promote your product. So basically register with LinkedIn and fill your profile according to your niche, according to affiliate product that you try to promote on LinkedIn. There are a lot of YouTube videos about how to successfully create your profile. So just search on YouTube and find those videos and complete your LinkedIn profile. After that, come to home page of your LinkedIn profile. Just click on this home button. Then you will see a section called start a post. So you can share post, videos, events and write articles. So we can find free PLR articles and add those PLR articles to LinkedIn by using this write article feature. So we don't need to write original articles. We can just get high quality PLR articles and use them to promote affiliate product. So before we start the process, let's find the affiliate product. So you can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24 or any other affiliate platform to find affiliate product. In this example, I will use Digistore24. So in Digistore24, I will go to education section because on LinkedIn there are a lot of people looking for educational content or content related to internet marketing, business, investment, e-business and things related to entrepreneurship and job market. So we have to find a product related to those categories. So I will go to education section and will promote a product related to education section. So I already have a video about how to find a high quality Digistore24 product. Just check that video and find a high quality product. However, in this example, I will go Digistore24 Academy membership affiliate product to promote on LinkedIn. First of all, I will go to LinkedIn and click on write article. In here you will see a pop-up called publish as. So I will publish this article as my personal profile and I click on next. Now in here we have text editor to write our article. So let's get an article. To do that, I will go to plr.com. In plr.com we can get free PLR articles. PLR means private label right articles. So So in here you will see what you can do with those articles. Basically you can use them as a web content, use it to build backlinks, you can solve it, modify it, you can put your name as author and rewrite those articles. So my product is related to affiliate marketing, so I will search here affiliate marketing. So basically I can click on Ctrl F and search affiliate marketing, and in here we get highlighted category called affiliate marketing. So I will click on it, and in here we have articles related to affiliate marketing. So in here we have an article called the 3 easiest way for newbie to start in affiliate marketing. If I scroll down, I will see lot of articles related to affiliate marketing. So let's get this article. To do that, I click on the article and I copy the title. If I want, I can change this title. So I copy and paste it like this, and then I copy this whole part and paste it on here. So I will remove this part, and now you must read this article all over again and get understanding about the article and rewrite it as you want, because some of those articles are not related to your affiliate product and some of them are really old, so you have to check those articles and rewrite it. So I will check this article and rewrite it. Okay, I break this article as paragraph and now it look easy to read. So in here we have some headings, so I highlight those headings and click on this normal combo box and click on headline 2 and make it a headline 2, and I will highlight this one and make it to headline 1. So this is a WYSIWYG editor, so you can do things like bold, italic and underline and create a list item or add a code. As example, if I want to bold a section, so let's bold this one, highlight it and click on B button and it will bold. So now we have simple article, but we must add images to this article because this is just a plain text, but we have to create engaging article. To do that, I will click on here and click on this little box icon. Then in here we can add image, video, sliders or links. So I click on this image button and now I can upload image from my computer. To do that, I will go to website like Pexels and find images related to this article. Okay, now I am at pexels.com. Pexels is a website that you can get free stock photos and videos. So just search anything on this search term and get that video. So I will search like company members and click on this orientation and click on horizontal. Now I can find lot of images related to company members. So I will download few of them, click on the image and click on this little arrow box and select the size and click on free download. So let's download few of them. Okay, great. Now I will go to LinkedIn and drag this photo here and drop it. It should be appear. Okay, it appeared, and now I will add another image here. So I put my cursor here and click on this little box and click on image. Then I drag and drop this image here. Okay, great. So now our article is ready. We have to add the background image. To do that, I will drag one of this image here and put it on, drop it. Okay, great. So now our article is completed. So it's time to add our affiliate product URL on this article. So if someone check this article and click on that affiliate URL, that person will redirect to our affiliate sales page, and if that person like to purchase that affiliate product, we will get commission. Don't directly add your ClickBank or Digistore24 affiliate URL to this article. Always create a landing page and add that landing page URL to this article. So if you directly add affiliate URLs to this article, LinkedIn LinkedIn algorithm will identify it and your post will get banned. Maybe your account will get banned too. So don't try to do it. Always create a landing page and add that landing page URL to your article. So in this example, I don't have a landing page to this product, so I will click on the sales page and I just share this link. So but you have to always create a landing page and add that landing page to LinkedIn article. So let's add this affiliate URL to our LinkedIn article. So I will go to affiliate support page of this affiliate product and find content. So there are few ways to add affiliate URL to our landing page. I will show you all of those ways. So in this affiliate support page we can get text. So I will get text from this email template. It not allow me to copy the text, so I will type this new proven ungoogleable internet marketing strategy. So I will paste that text here and I will add something like find, and I will highlight this one and click on this image icon. Then I will add my landing page URL here. So for now I will add something like hashtag, but you have to add your landing page URL. In the landing page you have to add content to promote this affiliate product. So I click on apply and it become a URL. Then I will highlight it again and click this quotation button and it will become a code. Also I will copy this content and paste it on something like here, and now I can add something like this. And so this is the second way to promote this. So I highlight it and click on bold, and now we can highlight some of this text and click on this image icon and paste the URL, paste our landing page URL here and press enter. So this is the third way to promote your affiliate URL in the article. Also we can add affiliate banners and make those affiliate banners as link. To do that I go to this download promo banners and let's click on this banner and right click and click on save image as and save it to computer. I will add that image here. So I put my cursor on this place and click on this box and click image. Then I drag this image to here and drop it. Then I hover over the image and click on it. Then I align it to right. Now you will see a link icon when you hover over the image. So click on that link icon. Then add your affiliate landing page URL link here. So I will add hashtag. Then press enter. Now your image become a URL. That means if someone click on start today or click on this image, that person will redirect to the landing page. So this is the complete step-by-step process of create article. So now it's time to promote our article, because if you just publish this article, no one will see your articles. You have to do few steps to get likes and engagement to your article. First of all, click on this publish button. So now you will see this post set to anyone. That means anyone can check this post. So now you can add little description about this article. So I will go to here and copy this text and paste it on here. Then I press enter. Then I can manually add hashtag, or I can add those suggested hashtag, or I can go to Google and search affiliate marketing hashtag and go to website like besthashtags.com and get hashtag related to affiliate marketing. So I will copy this hashtag and come here, then paste those hashtag in here. Now we can click on this publish button. After we click on this publish button, this article will be published and anyone can see this article. So if we add hashtag like this, our article will show up on those hashtags. As example, if someone search affiliate marketing hashtag on LinkedIn, that person will see all posts and articles tags under affiliate marketing hashtag. So I am not going to publish this article because this is just a dummy article and I don't want to share this example on my original account. So I close it, I click on discard and I remove it. Also still you will not get much engagement, so you can join with LinkedIn groups related to your niche. So in my case it's entrepreneurship, so I will search entrepreneurship in this search bar, then press enter. Now I click on this group tab. Now I will see all groups related to entrepreneurship, so I can join with all of those entrepreneurship groups. So I click on one of this group and click on request to join. Now your request will review the admins of this group and they will accept you. After you accept, you can share content on this group. To do that, you can just write something here or add some photos or videos, or you can share contents that you already published. As example, if I go to my profile and let's get the article that I wrote, so I will go to my profile and find the article, but we didn't publish that article we wrote for this example, so I have to find articles that I already wrote. Okay, I will click on this article and copy this article URL. Then I go to the groups that I already joined and click on start conversation and paste the article URL. Then our article appear like this, and you can add some content on here and click on post. So this is another way to get engagement and get users to your article. I will discard this. Also, you can see all members of this group and you can go to those people's profile and connect with them. You can click on this more icon and click on connect, and you can click on connect, then click on this send button, and if they check your profile and they're interested in your profile, they will connect with you. So when they connect with you, you will be able to grow your followers. So after that, if you share some content on your LinkedIn profile, or if you write articles on your LinkedIn profile and publish it, those followers will get notification about your article and they will react to your article, and LinkedIn will automatically organically promote your articles to other members who interested in your topic. And when they check the article and click on the affiliate URL and buy affiliate product from your URL, you will get the commission. So this is the easy and effective way to gain lot of sales and followers on LinkedIn. So try this method and share your experience with this method. Also, if you have any type of questions, just let me know on comment section and I will see you in next video.